This video, we learn a character representing handcuffs. 姓聂. This character form is very familiar. Everyone knows it as 姓 for happiness. Actually, as basic component, it reads 聂. Why two pronunciations? Actually from two different characters. One originally written like this. A standing person. And a fallen person. Means righting the fallen person. Turning bad to good. Means fortunate. Originally means unexpectedly gaining benefit or avoiding disaster. This is the familiar 姓 for fortunate, happy. The other character is the basic component, 聂 we discussed today. Its form depicts handcuffs. This form and the previous fortunate 姓 merged in regular script. Xing in other characters usually represents sound. E.g., 姓 for resentment. Xing plus 姓 for sound. Combining with other forms for meaning is mostly this 聂. Characters with 聂 relate to crime, punishment tools. We discuss three related characters. First, let's learn yu. Yu south outside is square. Represents prison. Like a square prison. Inside form. Originally depicted person wearing handcuffs. Later simplified. Human figure omitted. Only handcuffs remain. Yu originally means prison, jail. Like person locked in prison. Phrase 生陷囹于狱 means entering prison. 囹于 s 语 should be written this way. Later another character replaced it. Inside meaning component 姓 handcuffs. Became sound component 无 written yu. Prison locks people. Horse breeding also confines horses. So yu extended to mean horse breeder, horse farm. Similar extension method as lao. Lao originally means cattle pen. From the form we see. Top is house. Bottom is cow. Where cows live. Cattle pen. Later extended from cow pen to human prison. Yu from locking people prison. Extended to horse breeding, horse farm. Second, let's review previously learned 执. 执 for 执行任务. Its earliest form left is handcuffs. Right is criminal extending hands. Means arresting someone. 执 originally means capture criminal. Earliest form left written as 姓. Right is 完. Later 姓 simplified to 提. Became today's form. Third character with 姓 is ball for report. Let's see ball's earliest form. Left is handcuffs. Right is hand-grabbing criminal. Means capture criminal, apply punishment tool. Put on handcuffs. Like previous 执. Left first written as 姓. Simplified to 提. Ball originally means judging crime based on circumstances. First person commits fault. Then punish accordingly. This is called ball. extended to retribution, gratitude, revenge. All these mean responding based on others' actions. Further extended. Any reply, also called ba. Like report, answer, reply can all be ba. Ancient local officials had offices in capital. Office staff copied court memorials, emperor's edicts for them. This report was Jingbao, also Dibao. D means official residence, capital office. E.g., Dream of Red Chamber Chapter Say, someone tells Jia Yucun. Court will reappoint dismissed officials. Jia Yucun returns home. Quickly checks Dibao for details. This Dibao is copied imperial edicts from capital. From Jingbao, Dibao meaning further extended. Later news for common people called baozhi. So from punishing crime to today's newspaper. Bao-s meaning underwent complex changes. But each change relates closely to societal conditions. Understanding this change process helps understand historical and cultural phenomena. This is the value of learning characters through etymology.